So you have decided to sell your motorcycle, but you have no clue of where to begin. Are you a private seller and do you want to know how to sell your bike? Then this is the video for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dennis and in the last 12 years I have sold about 34 bikes as a private seller. Tip number 1. Clean and prepare your motorcycle before you're selling it. Before you start advertising your motorcycle, take some time to give it a thorough cleaning. This will help to make it look its best and that's good for the first impression for potential buyers. Also make sure that you have all the necessary paperwork and the title and registration and you're ready to go. Tip number 2. Take great photos. When it comes to selling your motorcycles, photos are everything. Make sure that you have clear and high quality photos of your motorcycle from multiple angles. This will give potential buyers a good idea of what the motorcycle looks like and to help attract more interest. If you don't know how to make professional photos, ask around if someone in your neighborhood can do it for you. Tip number 3. Write a detailed ad. When writing your ad, make sure to include all the important information about your motorcycle, such as the make, model, year and mileage. And also to be sure to mention all the upgrades you've done to the bike. Be honest about any issues or problems this motorcycle may have. Speaking of upgrades, the best thing to do is replace the upgrade parts for OEM one if you have them available and make your price lower. For example, if you change the exhaust, windscreen and other bits, replace them for the OEM. Adjust your price accordingly and sell the parts separately. A lot of times I even make profit on the bikes or at least broke even. It sounds stupid, but make sure you spell the name correctly. This happens more often than you think. So no Yamasaki, Ducati, Harley Davidson or something else. Because if you spell it incorrectly, people will not find it. Tip number 4. Be prepared for test ride. When potential buyers come to see your motorcycle, know that they want to take a test ride. Test rides are not scary, but try to be cautious, but give them the room and space to do so. Because not allowing test rides could be a deal breaker. Tip number 5. When it comes to selling your motorcycle, be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers. Determine your bottom line before you start negotiating and be willing to walk away if the buyer isn't willing to meet your price. Also make sure you have all of the necessary paperwork ready once you have agreed on a price. But make sure your price is competitive towards prices at motorcycle dealers. Remember, you're not a motorcycle dealer. You can't offer warranty, so adjust your price accordingly. Also, don't make an ad with no asking price or only open for bidding. A lot of people who are searching for a bike search for it in a certain price range. If your bike falls out of the price range because you said open for bidding or no asking price, they will not find it. Okay, I also have some bonus tips for you. 1. Be kind, be honest, be realistic, keep the conversation going with a possible buyer and be open-minded for the trade-in. The first 3 are pretty self-explanatory. The last one is always good to do because people who want to trade in are thinking about buying your bike. If the trading is not what you want, you at least started the conversation. Maybe they will decide to buy your bike anyway. And that's it. Those are the 5 tips to keep in mind when selling your motorcycle. Remember to clean, prepare your motorcycle, take great photos, write a detailed ad, be prepared for test rides, be prepared to negotiate. Thanks for watching, safe rides, and I will see you in the next one.